Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic and an impromptu classic car show, the Pegwell Bay Classic. There's all sorts here, but yeah, let's have a quick look around and see what we've got. And apologies for the audio, I haven't got my mic. MGZTs are classics now, I guess, but that one's taken my eye. Look at that, a splitty pickup truck. That looks incredible. It's an old 3 Series convertible. I really like those. They're quite spenny these days. Little MR2 Mark 1 next to it. Seems to be quite fair rust, which is nice. And a C-Class. It's a W202. Again, I don't see those as classics, but I am. And a cheeky little Polski Fiat there. I like those too. You'll hear that a lot today. So one of many Beetles that are here. That's really nice. But a BMW Z1. I've never seen one in the metal before, or is it fiberglass? I'm not sure. But look at those doors, that's incredible. Next to some big old American thing. Yeah, I'll cut back in when there's a few more. Yeah, look at that, that's lush. So we're gonna go from America to Italy with a 4C and an Alpha Spider. I do like those. But having had a Brera, I'm not sure I can stomach being an Alpha owner once more. Look at that little Alpha. Might be a Giulia? Don't know. But that is lush. There we go. Info about it. Pause it if you want to read it. A Giulia 2000 GT Veloce. Oh, look at that. It's like being in Italy. And there goes a Mustang. More V8. There you go. Look at the artwork on that. Abarth. That is cool. Looks like it's got a Lego under the bonnet as well. Yeah. Like that. Good job on the paintwork. So this isn't your standard Moggy. Look at that. That V8, it's a V8 in there. Yeah, that's a proper British hot rod there. I approve that it's a Woody. Sonic the Mini, for those who are interested. A lovely 1.6 205 GTI. They're quite rare these days. I thought that was a Panda, but that's a Tipo. And it's not just any Tipo. It's a Tipo Turbo. But yeah, look at the colour of that. That's fantastic. And then a nice Revy Seat Rosa. Not a Rosa. Leon. Love a K truck. I want one even though I have no reason for one, but yeah, you don't get the scale how dinky it is, but yeah. I mean, next to the Holden Monaro maybe, but yeah, it's dinky. Lovely early E-Type. Is it a Mark 1? Don't know. Again, I've not seen one up close before, but look at that, that's lovely. And look at that, whatever that is that's going. You coming this way? That's really cool. Look at the little Isetta bubble car. Perfect accompaniment for the Fig, this is. Same colour, everything. Yeah, this is tiny, but so cool. Look at that Pontiac Grand Prix. It's huge. 4.2 V8, the owner said. That's incredible. And as I say, look inside. Look at that interior. They don't make them like that anymore. That's lush. And a nice little hot rod over there, opposite the Tipo. Yeah, this is cool. bit of a low rider there. Don't know what it is. Any clues on the front? No, no clues. Answers on a postcard or in the comments below. But yeah, that's nice. Is it saying it? That's a Hillman. A couple more American big old things. So yeah, it's a Thunderbird Mark 1 and a Caddy. I'll do my bit. I'll show you the. There you go. If you're interested and you're this way. But this is huge. But yeah, it's got the tail fins and everything. Little old Rover P4, Beetle, Mini, another American pickup truck, brakes of our baths. Little Frog Eye Sprite going past. Possibly one of my favourites of the show, though, is this little Polski Fiat. Look at it. Yeah, I really like these. Maybe I should get one. Let me know in the comments below. Found Godzilla. Or is it a Stagia? Because it's got the rear doors on it. Might have been. Hello, dog. Hello. Yeah, that's nice. 911. It's for sale at 911. Don't know what that is. Is it Reliant? Is it Cortina? It's a Capri. Console Capri. There you go. See what else we've got. Love the old pickup. And I'll finish on the two GTRs. It's R34 and R33. Love them. I want. There you go. But no, I'll finish on those. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time wherever we are and whatever we're doing. Cheers guys.